For centuries many Jamaicans were busy with the making of basket weaving, from a variety of straw basket art was in full swing. And one man has decided to carry on what he learnt from his mother. At one point, he said it was the occupation of most people in his district. At age 7, he said, he made his first pieces, which his mother sold and was encouraged to carry on. But where exactly did this trade start from? When enslaved black people were brought to Jamaica, they brought with them important skills, such as basketry and straw plaiting. Subsequently producing items such as baskets, bed mats, ropes and wicker chairs for their personal use. Evidence for this has been discovered in the form of stone carvings from around 20,000 years BC. The materials used would have depended on people's surroundings and varied considerably, from willow to roots, brambles, vines, oak, ash, hazel, bamboo, leaves, straw, rush and bark. Some things were woven, others were coiled. Baskets were woven and lined with clay to create waterproof bowls. Houses were built with basket work, wattle, and daubed with mud, right up until the 1700s. What are the 4 different types of basketry? There are 4 different types of basketry methods: coiling, plaiting, twining, and wicker. These basket skills that is passed down, from generation to generation, is here